To remove Samsung Free from your home screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu by long tapping on an empty area on your home screen so that you can go to the home screen edit screen and then select setting. Now tap the blue on off switch next to add media take to home screen until the switch turns green to turn it off. To see the result, go back to your home screen. By default, when you swipe the main home screen to the left, your phone will display Samsung Free, but since you have disabled media pack, then Samsung Free will also be removed from your home screen. And now your home screen will only display apps and widgets you have at default. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.